Hey there, today at JTech, I'll be teaching you how to use a valve spring compressor to remove a valve and its retainer and its spring. So here's the tool that you'll be using. This is a overhead valve setup, and you can only use this tool for that setup. So it's just like a big clamp, C-clamp. You would use this will be actually touching the valve, and this is what holds the spring in place. You just sort of set it up like this. You're gonna make sure that you adjust it to fit the valve.
Shirley Temple.
And then you adjust. So once you have this adjusted, you'll just press, remove the retainers. Make sure not to lose them or misplace them or mix them up with the other retainers. And then you would just slowly decompress it. Put your hand under the valve just in case it might fall out. Remove your spring.
Like I said,
And that is how you remove a valve. So when you're reinstalling the valve, you're going to want to take grinding compound, valve grinding compound, rub a thin amount along the edge where it seats, and use one of these. You just on top of the valve, and it will grind it in and make it seat better. And after that, clean it off, and you're ready to actually install the spring and retainer. So we would put the valve in, put the spring over it, get our compressor still adjusted from last time, and then compress. Take your retainers, which are tapered and grooved, and they only go on one way.
Oh yeah.
You ready?
what the fuck?
And that is how you reinstall valve.